Reviewing bestseller skincare product on Amazon. We're diving into one of the most talked about products in Korean skincare, the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. Whether you're new to Snail Mucin or a skincare enthusiast, this product promises intense hydration, skin repair, and a youthful glow. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. This essence is known for being lightweight and quick absorbing. It gives the skin a natural, healthy glow without feeling heavy or sticky, something that many serums struggle with. With a non-greasy finish, it's perfect for all skin types, especially if you're prone to oily skin or breakouts. When you pump out the product, you'll notice a gel-like, slightly viscous texture that glides effortlessly onto the skin. Don't worry if it feels a bit sticky at first. That goes away as it absorbs. After just a few seconds, your skin feels instantly hydrated and smooth. You can see how the skin has an immediate, subtle glow. Over time, with consistent use, it helps to reduce fine lines, soothe irritation, and boost overall skin vitality, giving you a more youthful appearance. If you're someone with sensitive skin, this product is 100% natural, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested, meaning it's gentle enough even for those prone to irritation. You don't have to worry about breakouts or reactions. COSRX has made sure this product caters to a wide range of skin types. When you pump out the product, you'll notice a gel-like, slightly viscous texture that glides effortlessly onto the skin. Don't worry if it feels a bit sticky at first. That goes away as it absorbs. After just a few seconds, your skin feels instantly hydrated and smooth. To get the most out of the COSRX Snail Mucin essence, use it after cleansing and toning. Apply a small amount and gently pat it into your skin. With consistent use, many users report a noticeable difference in their skin's texture, hydration, and overall brightness. It's particularly effective for those dealing with dull skin, fine lines, or acne scars. The repairing properties of Snail Mucin help to rebuild the skin barrier and maintain moisture, making your skin feel plump and healthy over time. So, is the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a hydrating serum that delivers long-term benefits, is lightweight, and is suitable for all skin types, this is a must-try. Plus, with its soothing properties, it's perfect for those dealing with post-breakout scars, dryness, or simply wanting to maintain a youthful glow. Interested in trying it for yourself? Tap the link below in the description to grab your bottle of COSRX Snail Mucin Essence today. Your skin will thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.